Madam Speaker, thank you. We're just days away from President Obama's deadline to Iran that accept his offer of meaningful talks about that country's nuclear program. And although the U.S. and other world powers will meet in Iran on October the 1st, Iran has said the discussions of its nuclear program are finished. Any discussion that does not include Iran's nuclear program significantly dilutes any benefits of such talks. For 8 months, Iran has had the opportunity to discuss its nuclear program. Now, moments before the deadline, it proposes talks but remains unwilling to engage on the most important issue. The President needs to rally the international support through the UN and through G20 summit this month for sanctions against Iran to ensure that they have great impact. At the same time, Congress should move forward with legislation that has been introduced to put pressure on Iran. Specifically, we should pass H.R. 2194, the Iran Refined Petroleum Sanctions Act. The longer we wait to address Iran's pursuit of nuclear weapons, the more difficult it becomes to deal with Iran, and the world becomes a more dangerous place. Hoping that Iran changes course is not a strategy we can live with.